Okay, guys, today we're gonna be doing our 50 subscriber special video since we have hit it. And today we're gonna be opening my first partner illustration collection. Just got this not too long ago, and I hope I can get something really good out of these box. So, get something nice for the video, but let's get straight into this. Just rip this thing open. Ooh, little stickers. That's nice. Okay. Obviously, what we really want is in here. Wow. First thing I'm gonna open is the Phantasmal Flames. Maybe we can get that Charizard. I hope and I pray. Very rare to pull the card, but you never know. Today could be the day. Into the front. Okay. Impom, Fibra, Sandile, Swinub, Cresselia. Ooh, looking card. Ooh, this looks even better. Torch. Ooh, a little Charmeleon. Could be a sign. Below that, and a Rotom EX. Okay, I'll take it. I'll go in the little binder. Mega Evolutions is next. Hope I can get something good out of here. Right, okay. Psychic Energy, Corphish, Tangela, Sandshrew, Litleo, Inteleon, Strange Timepiece, Shuckle, Fight Going, Ralts, and Mega Lucario EX. We got 2 X's out of this box. Okay. Not bad. Little Lucario. Nothing crazy good. Now, for the 3 cards are in here. I wonder which one we're gonna get. Oh. I opened fast. Be very careful with this. I'm trying to be. A little corner is a little stuck. Okay. Which one is it? Ooh, got a little Rowlet, Litten, and Poplio. I think that's how you pronounce that. Oh, no, I dropped it. It's a nice little set. Start sleeving these bad boys. Not terrible at all. I like the cards. They look nice. Not the one I wanted to get. Obviously, the best cards were to get was the Charmander, Squirtle, and the Bulbasaur, but they're good too. Little Rowlet. I'll take it. Wow. What the boxes was? Each pack had a hit in it. Got one part of the set. I hope I can find more of these to complete all of them. Got the bottom 3 right here. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you all for the next video I post. And I hope you have a great day, and make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah.